got joke straight. But then I said chat. But my start. The whole of my journey, my bongo journey. You see it? Setting out straight, you see me? I want better thing. You see me? Like that. You don't know you go through the bongo. You go through the journey. Really? Yeah, man. You know the place. You man try to stop by and I. Cheers on the place the ball out of the place. But then I go and circle the place and map out where I go. I hear the people that might cry. Look on the place. Full of joy. Full of joy. Full of joy, no. Full of joy. Them a go full of joy. Them a them on the camera. Them a not stop, them a rest and stop. Them a build it and chill it. Them a go there with the global myself, global musician and play Lionheart Record Empire. One build and chill. I say I go take a look over step and go up there. I want millions of you. But that man have you see it? The rest of the superstars that come in here, I just want to document my life story. But that man watch this at Jamaica, the whole of the government, wanna chat to that. You hear that? But that man in. See where I go on. Chill. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. That pan it Lionheart. I look some food and thing, I go around a parade. All the time back.